Hello friends, welcome to Let Me Excel. In the last video we learnt how to bring web data to Google spreadsheet, and I had promised that in the next video we'll be doing that in Microsoft Excel, that is bringing data from website to Microsoft Excel. In Google spreadsheet we used import HTML function or formula. Here in Excel we are going to use a very powerful tool called Power Query. So where is Power Query? Power Query is right there under data menu, data ribbon. Okay, you'd see something like new query. So click here and you have bunch of options. So we are not going to discuss others. We are going to see from other sources. Under from other sources you have many options, and for now we are choosing from web. Since we are bringing data from website, we have to choose from web. Click on that. Okay, after some time you'll get this dialog box. Enter a web page URL means, so what is URL? URL, the link which we had used last time, the same. Records, one day international batting records, most runs in career. So let us copy this link, select copy and go to Excel, paste the link here, then give OK and confirm. Whenever you get this dialog box, please click on connect. Wait while we establish a connection to the link. Now Power Query lists out the table, HTML table, which are available in that link. So one is documents, which doesn't have that much of data, but we are interested in most runs. Okay, now either you can load or you can click on edit. So let's click on edit, because if we have anything unwanted we can click on, okay, sorry, let us click on load. If you want to modify this table, if you want to clean this, you can click on edit and you will be taken to some other window, and there you can edit your data. But for now we are not getting into that detail. We are just clicking on load, and let us see what other options are there. Load and load, two options are there. We are just clicking load. Now our data will come to, looks like bit lengthy process, but it is just straightforward. Once you click, it will guide you automatically. So please give a try. 90 rows are loaded, right? So here let me open the Google spreadsheet which we had used last time. Okay, so how many rows are there? First one is header row, 91, means here also we have 90, here also we have 90, means everywhere in both the places the data is same. And if you observe here, this data is converted to Excel table by Power Query automatically. Okay, so now we can create pivot table, or we can write formula and do any sort of analysis. So friends, I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.